afternoon, everybody, and welcome to our Christian Values Afternoon, which is where we look at what our value is for next half term. Now, this half term has been all about friendship. Next half term, we're going to look at hope. Today, this afternoon, we're going to be exploring our hopes and dreams and thinking about how we can achieve them. Before we begin, I'd like you to have a little think about what hope is. What does hope mean to you? If you say, I hope this will happen, what does that mean to you? Think about it. Share it with your grown up at home, or think to yourself, or say it out loud if you like to, and share your ideas. Hope is the feeling of wanting something good to happen and thinking that it could happen. So it's having a belief in yourself. You know that you really want something to happen and you believe it will happen one day for you. Another little question for you now to have a think about at home. Why is it important that we have hope? Again, we'd like you to think about it. Share it with your grown up, or say it out loud if you'd like to, and share your ideas. It's really important that we have hope. The first reason why it's important we have hope is because hope allows us to believe that anything is possible. The second reason is because if we didn't have hope, we would give up when things become difficult. So it's really important that we have hope. We have that belief in ourselves that if we work really hard, we will one day be able to achieve our hopes and our dreams. Now we're going to have a little look at hopes and dreams in a little bit more detail. Almost everybody in our world has a hope or a dream, but I'm more interested in what your hopes and dreams are. You might have a hope or dream for yourself or for a big group of people. You might have a dream for your friends or your brothers and sisters. You might have a hope for them. I'd like you to have a think now of what you hope for. So, on your screen you can see some sentence starters. The first one says, I hope that. The next one says, I like to think that. And your last one says, I dream that. Now you can choose any of those sentence starters, and what I'd like you to do is think about what your hope or your dream is that you would like to achieve one day. I hope you've had a chance to share your hopes and dreams. If not, now's the time to pause the video and have that little chat. Okay, now we're going to have a little think about how we can achieve your hopes and dreams. Here are just a few ideas of how you can achieve your hopes and dreams. So, the first circle says perseverance. Now that means that you keep going even when things get a little bit difficult. Because if you persevere, you can achieve your hopes and dreams. Practice is another important thing that will help you to achieve your hopes and dreams. If you practice, we know practice makes perfect. If you practice every day, one day you will be able to achieve the things that you are wishing for, you are hoping for. Hard work is another important thing that will help you to achieve your hopes and dreams. If you work hard and you practice every single day, then one day that will pay off and you will achieve your hopes and your dreams. This links in with effort. Lots of effort always pays off. Patience is another important thing that will help you to achieve your hopes and dreams, because it won't happen quickly. It will take quite a little bit of time to be able to achieve your hopes and dreams, and you've got to be patient. Patience links with our perseverance, okay? So if we persevere and we are patient, then one day we will be able to achieve our hopes and dreams. Talent is another thing that might help you to achieve your hopes and dreams. You might be really talented at something and that will help you to achieve. And the last one is training. Now training links in with our practice. If we train lots and lots, we will be able to achieve those things that we hope for and our dreams too. Okay, everybody, so now it's your turn to have a little go at your activity. Your job today is to think about a hope or dream that you have for the future. Then we want you to think about what you need to do to achieve this hope or dream. So your first sentence on your activity sheet is to write about what your hope or dream is that you have for the future. Your second sentence is going to be about how you can achieve that hope or dream. Now, you might already have some ideas about how you can achieve your hope or dream, but if you want to look back through our video to some of the earlier slides, there is some examples of how you could achieve your dream too, which we talked about earlier. The third thing that we need you to do this afternoon is to write a prayer about hope. Now there is another sheet for you to write your prayer on, which is also on Teams, okay? So there's 2 sheets for you this afternoon. Once you've completed your work, remember to send it in to the adult that's looking after your chat today, because we can't wait to see your lovely prayers and all of the things that you hope for in the future.